Hey guys, so today what we're doing is we're going to put a carpet in this little Porsche 914 here. It's a pretty nice little car. It's got a turbocharged Subaru engine in there. Did the flares, metal flares, the white wheels, everything like that. All new paint. Getting this car ready to go. So anyway, I guess he's got about $35,000 into this car so far. It's really nice. So anyway, yesterday what I did is I cut out all the carpet pieces here. What I'm using is it's actually real wool square weave carpet. It's the real expensive stuff. So what I did here is, you can see, I patterned it all out. Got everything fitting pretty good. Took all day yesterday. Something else I previously done was this rear firewall right here. A little hard to see, I guess, with that light, but what I'm going to do now is pull all these pieces out. I'm going to bind all the edges and then reinstall it into the car. Put the seats in and see if we can have it ready for him later on this afternoon. Was the old carpet kit that was in the car. It's actually a new carpet kit, but you know, it's one of these mass-produced kits that don't fit very well and they don't look very well. So I pulled these out of the car, and over here, these are the seats. I'll put in a before and after picture somewhere in the video. What they used to look like, and pretty much did it to a specification, which was black leather with this black and gray plaid inserts. Pretty much it right there. That's exactly what I'm looking for. I've decided to just do one piece at a time. As I bind it, I'll install it on the car. So the floor mats, which are the last to go in, will be the last to get done. So there's some other pieces that are, how would you say, overlapped by the floor mats, main floor mats. So those will go in first. So this is the left front kick panel, left of the clutch and the brake. Contact adhesive that I'm using, dry on both sides for about 15 minutes before I put them together. So while I'm waiting for that glue to dry, I'm going to go ahead and do the passenger footboard. Here is the next. Let's go ahead and put this piece in. I made some of these panel board boxes here because of the uneven floor. Like the center console has this, the wires going through here, so it's not a flat, even surface. So what I do is I make a box that'll fit over that, and that'll create a nice smooth surface base for the carpet. I also had to do the same with the floorboard here on the passenger side because the shape of the floor was just a little crazy, so I made a hard panel board there for that too, to flatten it out and give it a cleaner look. I have all the inside rockers are all glued up, and I'm putting in my 15 minutes drying time there. Remember, you gotta, with a contact adhesive, you have to glue both surfaces. Wait about 15 minutes and then put them back together. I made this little leather pocket here because of the emergency brakes. That way his hand won't be rubbing up against this rough carpet, because it'd probably chafe your skin pretty bad or scratch yourself, and it's not a soft carpet. So I just thought I'd do that for him. Put the leather, and it kind of gives it a little bit more personality too. I just use a tool to get that corner right there. I have the binding sewn up on all the rest of the pieces, so now they just have to be put into place. I'm just going to lay them in the car because the customer, he doesn't want them glued down yet because he still has some wiring work to do. So here we go. So all that's left now is just a quick cleanup. Get rid of any glue overspray, vacuum it, make it look like brand new. I have the carpet finished, got everything laid out there and where it's supposed to belong. Got it all vacuumed out. And that's what it looks like at the end. I set the seats in where they belong. They're not mounted yet. The customer will do that. But that kind of gives us an idea what the interior looks like now. Now it looks like a car. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and also if you want to see some more interior work in the upcoming videos, just hit that subscribe button, and we'll get back together again soon. See you later.